Hi everyone, we are from SNK Chono and our group has 3 members. This is my twin brother Muhammad Sadri and this is my friend Vince. We are very excited to present our project Smart Water Allocation System or SWAS. The system helps households manage water usage efficiently and prevent water wastage. It automatically controls water flow, detect problems like leaks or empty tanks, and allow we to remote controlling the system using a mobile app called Blink. So, in short, SWAS makes water management smarter, safer, and more convenient to everyone. Now, let's take a look at the component we use. We use LoadMCU32S for the microcontroller, and we use HC04SR ultrasound sensor for the water tank level, and we also use YF31S to measure the water flow, and we also use solenoid valve to control the opening and closing of the valve. So we also use buzzer to make a sound if there are any error occurred in the water pipe. And we also use the Blink app so we could control it through our mobile phone everywhere. And lastly, we also use the solar panel and solar charger controller and also battery so it could use the power and recharge itself.
Okay, now I will explain about the problem solutions and future improvements. One common problem in households is water wastage and leaks, which can be costly and unsafe. Our project, SWAS, solves this by automatically detecting abnormal flow, stopping water leaks, and alerting users immediately. For the future, we plan to develop a fully smart house system that integrates water management with other home safety features. This will make the system more reliable, safer, and more efficient for daily life.
Thank you for listening. Bye.